Hello, fellow wanderers. This is Laksventures and welcome to another adventure-packed vlog. This time I'm taking you on a soul-searching journey through the magical island of Bali. From dressing up in traditional Balinese clothes to getting lost in the serenity of ancient temples, I've got an itinerary that's going to leave you craving for more. Ready? Let's dive into the heart of Bali. My journey began with something special, a deep dive into Balinese culture. There is something about slipping into those traditional clothes. It's almost like stepping into another time. And oh, the thrill of navigating Bali streets on a motorbike. I even had the chance to sit down with a local family, and their warmth and stories are something I'll carry with me forever. It's a great reminder that travel isn't just about seeing places, it's about connecting with people. Hi guys, this is Laksventures from Bali, and we are here at an area around 30 minutes away from Ubud to the east side, and we are at a local house from a lovely friend called Madi, and we are going to 2 temples today for offering, and afterwards we will see some local experiences. We maybe go to some rice fields, we go to markets, and yeah, we just take it as it comes, and I will be very happy and joyful if you can join me for that wonderful day. Next stop, Tirta Empul, where I found myself in the sacred cold springs. The water is icy, but it's said to cleanse your soul. How could I resist? After the ritual, I spent some time feeding the koi carps. It was such a peaceful moment, surrounded by the timeless beauty of the temples. If you ever need to hit pause on life, this is the place to do it. Hi guys, we are in front of a holy banyan tree right now, and we just did some offering in praying in order to invite the spirit into our souls in order to be able to get to the temple or to get to the next praying area. So what we are doing here is that we will take care about our ancestors, think about our spirits, and to invite to be a rebirthing basically. Tirta Empul is a Hindu Balinese water temple located near the town of Tanjung Sirin, Bali, Indonesia. It is famous for its sacred spring water, which is believed by Hindus to have healing and purifying properties. The visitors to Tirta Empul can participate in a ritual cleansing process known as Melukat by bathing in the temple pools. Each fountain at Tirta Empul is believed to have different spiritual benefits, and devotees often move from one fountain to another during the purification ritual. The Balinese visit Tirta Empul regularly for spiritual and ceremonial purposes, especially during full moon celebrations and other Hindu festivals. Tirta Empul is not only a religious site but also a cultural and historical landmark, offering visitors a glimpse into Bali's spiritual heritage and traditions. Hi guys, we are now at the second temple, and Mari will explain about her experience from here.
25 years ago, this time I come to Unamkari temple, and I'm trying to connect to the spirit to make this art.
What do you say from the difference the temple we've been before and this one? Which one has brought you more peace and calmness so far?
What our temple make me feel calm, but the powerful was the holy water temple.
Candi Jebing Gunung Kawi, also known as Gunung Kawi Temple, is an ancient Hindu temple complex located in Tampang Sing, Bali, Indonesia. It is famous for its large rock-cut shrines, which you can see here in the background, which are carved directly into the cliff face. The temple dates back to the 11th century and is believed to have been built during the reign of King Anak Bongso of the Udayana dynasty. The complex consists of 10 shrines, or chandi temples, carved into niches along the steep rock walls of the gorge. Who knew that cutting a coconut could be so fun and so challenging? At a local varo, I learned the art of machete skills, or at least tried to. And let me tell you, fresh coconut water right from the source is a whole new level of refreshing. The town centers and markets are a feast for the senses. The art, the colors, the scents. Bali is a living canvas. I even got the chance to make a caning. There's something so meditative about weaving together these beautiful offerings. And the walking streets, it's like stepping into a different world with every shop. Of course, a trip to Bali wouldn't be complete without visiting the iconic Tegalalang rice terrace. It's like standing in the middle of a postcard. The way the terraces cascade down the hillside is simply mesmerizing. And nearby, Alas Bali, the place where nature and adventure are brought together, whether you are zipping through the air on a swing, enjoying the smell of the fragrant coffee plantations, or just soaking in the views. This place is pure bliss. Bali is full of surprises, and one of its most intriguing experiences is the famous luwak coffee. You've probably heard about it. It's the world's most expensive coffee, and trust me, the process is as unique as the taste.
Regular one from the plant, this is the high caffeine. For the caffeine, luwak coffee, Bali coffee, 8% caffeine.
8%.
Yeah, this from the plant. We take from the plant and then we process glycerin.
So this one is for the Canggu party people, and this is the one which my doctor would recommend here, right? But if I drink 20 cups of those, so thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome.
Then there is Shambhala. This festival isn't just about the music, it's about a community. Shambhala is where the beats are as conscious as the people who groove to them. It's a celebration of love, light, and everything in between. If you're in Bali and this is happening, go. It's an experience that transcends the usual party vibes. And to wrap up my soul-searching journey, I treated myself to a stay at the Four Seasons in Ubud. This place is the definition of paradise, luxury in the heart of nature. I spent my days lounging by the infinity pool, getting rejuvenating spa treatments and savoring delicious Balinese cuisine. So there you have it, my soul-searching experience in Bali. This island has a way of touching your heart and reminding you of what truly matters. If you are seeking adventure, peace, or just a little bit of both, Bali is calling your name. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because there is always more to explore. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep searching for that little bit of magic in every corner of the world.